This video will help you understand the National Disability Insurance Scheme, or NDIS, how it works, who can access it, the benefits it offers, and the steps to apply. The NDIS is a government-funded program in Australia that provides support to people with disabilities, their families, and carers. Its goal is to help participants achieve greater independence, improve quality of life, and participate more fully in their communities. The program delivers individualized funding based on your needs. Who is eligible for the NDIS? To qualify, you must be under 65 years old when applying, be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or hold a special visa, and have a permanent and significant disability that affects your daily activities. An assessment will help determine your eligibility. Examples of covered disabilities include physical, intellectual, sensory, and psychosocial conditions. What are the benefits? The NDIS provides access to various supports, such as therapy and rehabilitation, assistive technology like wheelchairs or communication devices, support workers for daily tasks, skill-building programs, and modifications to your home or vehicle. These supports are tailored to meet your unique needs and goals. How can you apply? Follow these steps. Check your eligibility using the NDIS checklist online. Submit an access request form, which you can find on the NDIS website or request by calling their helpline. Provide supporting evidence, such as medical reports or assessments, and wait for your application to be reviewed. Once approved, you'll work with a planner to create your personalized NDIS plan. If your application is denied, you can request a review or seek support from a local area coordinator who can guide you through the process. The NDIS is here to support you in living a more fulfilling and independent life. By understanding eligibility, the benefits available, and how to apply, you can make the most of this valuable resource. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from the NDIS.